Hello and welcome to our video on how to configure the iNet Guardian app. Once you've downloaded the app from the App Store to the child's device, then just start the app. It will be presented with this login screen. All you need to do is put your login details, that's the kind of parent's login details, to configure this device. So just put in your email or your username and your password. Once you've done that, you can just click on the login button. You'll be taken through to the device setup screen. If you've got more than one user set up, they'll be listed in here. So just choose which user uses this phone, which charges this phone. And if you want, you can change the device name so it gives it a clear indication of whose device it is and what the device is. Then click on next. You will then be presented with some brief installation instructions, okay, which is what this video is covering. So you can just click on next, and it'll tell you the website is trying to download a configuration profile. This is the configuration for this particular device. So click on that you've set up, click on allow, and then profile downloaded, click on close. What you'll need to then do is go back to your settings on the iOS device, on the Apple device, and you'll see profile downloaded appears. Click on profile downloaded and then click on install, and what this will do is this will install the configuration onto the phone. Put in the password for the phone and then click on install again, and you trust to remote management, and then once you've clicked on trust, the remove download profile will disappear, and that's it. You can click on done, and now the device is all set up, ready to work. In the top left hand corner you should see a little VPN sign come up, and then once that comes up you can then go and try to access some websites that you shouldn't be able to access.